Workbook 5, Microorganisms and the Invisible World. Types of microorganisms. Microorganisms are tiny living things. There are different types, and each one is unique. So, microorganisms are tiny living things that are too small to see without a microscope. So these are some places where they can be found: in the air, in water, in soil, on plants, on animals, and inside living things. These are the four main types of microorganisms: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and viruses. So bacteria are one-celled living organisms, and they help digest food. They help make foods like yogurt and cheese and help recycle nutrients in nature. Some can even cause diseases. And some examples of bacteria in food would be yogurt and cheese. And another example of bacteria would be E. coli. Fungi. Fungi include molds and yeasts. So yeast is a one-celled organism. Molds and mushrooms are many-celled, they are multi-celled. They break down dead plants and animals, and some can even cause diseases. So let's speak about protozoa. Protozoa are one-celled organisms that live mostly in water. Some help break down waste, and some can even cause diseases such as amoeba or giardia. Now let's speak on viruses. Viruses are not made of cells. They need living cells to reproduce. They can infect living cells. Viruses can also cause you to have a cold or the flu, chickenpox, and so many other viruses. And they can make people and animals sick. So some examples, as we stated, would be having a cold or the flu, and even understanding that chickenpox is caused from a virus. Okay? Remember, our microorganisms are everywhere. Some help us and some can make us very sick. Always remember to wash your hands, keep things clean, and stay healthy. Helpful and harmful microorganisms. Let's dive deeper. Microorganisms can help us in many ways, but some can also cause problems. Helpful organisms. Many microorganisms are good for people, animals, and the environment. Why? Because they help make food. Bacteria and yeast are used to make foods like bread, sauerkraut, kimchi, and soy sauce. Also, some microorganisms are helpful because they help animals. So, good bacteria in animals' stomachs help break down the food and keeps them healthy. And also, they can help the environment. So, microorganisms break down dead plants and animals. They recycle nutrients and help keep the soil healthy. And last but not least on this list, they can help people stay healthy. Some bacteria in our bodies protect us from bad germs. Others are used to make probiotics and vitamins. Now that we spoke of helpful microorganisms, let's speak of the harmful microorganisms. Some microorganisms can cause disease. They can also spoil things or damage living things. So let's speak on how they can spoil food. Mold and bacteria can grow on food and make it smell bad or unsafe to eat. And they can also cause disease. Bacteria, viruses, and fungi can cause colds, infections, and many other illnesses. And they can also harm plants. Some microorganisms can cause plant diseases that damage crops, trees, and gardens. And last but not least on this list, they can damage materials. Microorganisms can rot wood, rust metal, and break down buildings and other materials. So, why does it matter? Because both helpful and harmful microorganisms exist all around us. Understanding the difference helps us make smart choices to stay safe and healthy. So, what can we do? Wash your hands often, keep food clean and store it properly, clean and disinfect regularly used surfaces, cook food fully, and throw away spoiled food and keep areas clean. Because microorganisms are powerful. Some help us live better lives, and some can make us sick. Knowing the difference helps us protect ourselves and others. Immunity and disease prevention. So, our bodies have ways to stay healthy. We can also take steps to prevent disease. So, what is immunity? Immunity is your body's natural defense system that protects you from germs and sickness. How immunity works. When germs enter your body, your immune system finds the germs, fight the germs, remember the germs so it can fight them again in the future, and then build strong immunity. You can help your body stay strong by eating healthy foods, getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and drinking plenty of water. These are some ways to prevent diseases. So wash your hands, cover your cough, avoid touching your face, stay home when you're sick, keep things clean, and if you believe in getting vaccinated, get vaccinated. If you need more information on it, look it up or ask a nurse or a doctor about vaccines. So, what are diseases? Diseases are caused by germs, such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and other microorganisms. Some examples of diseases, let's talk about it one more time. Colds and flu, caused by viruses. They're caused by viruses. Strep throat is also caused by bacteria. An athlete's foot is caused by fungus. So fungi. So a strong body and smart choices help keep germs away. Protect yourself and others so everyone can stay healthy and safe. Thank you, family and friends. Bye for now. We'll see you next time.